Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Very exciting ang topic natin for today. Pag-uusapan natin ang apat na upcoming REIT IPO this coming 2023 to 2024. Namely, SM REIT, Robinsons Malls and Logistics REIT, Costco REIT, and Double Dragon Industrial REIT. No? Pero wala pa pong nilalabas na prospectus ang mga REIT na to, so we can get only an idea on the recent disclosures. Umpisa na natin sa favorite ng lahat guys, no? Makamasa, mahirap man o mayaman, pwede sa lahat ang SM REIT, no? Ito na nga guys, naabangan talaga to ng mga long-term investors. But with SM REIT's recent disclosure this August of 2023, plano na naman nila i-move ang REIT IPO next year ng 2024 dahil nga daw sa weak market conditions. Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, no, importante po sa SM REIT na medyo maganda ang market conditions because SM REIT will be the biggest IPO in Philippine REIT history. So kailangan nila ng big investors to come in, or more importantly, foreign investors to fill in the IPO. Kasi nga sobrang laki nito guys. Estimated to raise up to $1 billion or approximately 56 billion pesos. And yung valuation po ng properties na ipapasok nila is around 3.5 to 4 billion dollars or approximately 196 to 250 billion pesos. So yun na guys, no, we have an estimation kapag nag-publicly listed itong SM REIT, they will cover approximately 47% of the REIT market in terms of market capitalizations. So very mind-blowing ito guys, no. Ganoon po kalaki ang SM REIT, no. Expected na din natin guys that this will be a retail REIT. At based sa kanilang disclosure, they are going to include 12 to 15 mall centers as fresh start sa kanilang IPO. So ano po yung growth dito, no? Meron po silang 30 to 35 matured malls na pwedeng ipasok agad sa SM REIT moving on forward, no? And currently, merong 83 malls ang SM as of 2023. Actually, sinasala naman ng mga managers yan guys, no, kung ano dapat property ang ipapasok based on their criterias, no. Hindi lahat ng malls nila pantay-pantay ang performance. Syempre, kung ano ang maganda, yun lang ang ipapasok. So, kaabang-abangan naman talaga itong SM REIT guys, no. Let's wait on this one and let's move forward to our next REIT IPO, which is Robinsons Malls and Logistics REIT. So this is the second largest mall operator behind SM REIT guys, no. So ka-excite talaga itong mga upcoming IPOs guys. Malaking bahagi ito sa REIT market natin. Unfortunately, no, nangangamoy panibagong REIT ito guys because based sa prospectus ng RCR, they will only include income producing real estate asset leased primarily for office purposes only, no. Kaya nga itong malls and logistics arm ni Robinsons Land ay panibagong REIT listing na talaga. So medyo different approach ang ginagawa ni Robinsons compared to Ayala Land, no? Kasi itong si Ayala Land, ini-include na nila ang mga malls sa REIT. While Robinsons Land will be listing a new REIT sa kanilang retail arm, no? So tignan natin guys, tignan natin yung epekto nito guys, no? Because they see a different perspective. So eto na nga guys, no, yung current portfolio ni Robinsons Land. Meron silang 53 malls as of 2023, 8 yung nasa Metro Manila and 45 ay nasa key cities across the country, no. At sa latest financial report ng Robinsons Land, 40% na kanilang revenues ay galing sa malls at 19% lang yung galing sa office. So maybe guys, no, maybe we will be expecting a larger REIT coming out of Robinsons Land, no? Mas malaki kaysa sa RCR. So we are not sure, no? Pero we are looking into this one. Magandang opportunity for us investors to diversify and in a different industry sa REIT arm ni Robinsons Land, no? Ang maganda pa dito guys, nakita na natin ang quality na pag-handle ni Robinsons sa RCR, kaya medyo confident na din tayo that they will also do good sa next listing na REIT nila. Kaya let's go to the next REIT IPO, which is Double Dragon Industrial REIT, guys, no? Ito na nga, guys, ito na nga. Double Dragon plans to list their industrial real estate as another REIT, no? For me, guys, medyo justifiable naman tong gagawin ng Double Dragon to separate yung industrial REIT kasi nga mainly office pogo itong DDMPR. Kaya medyo malayo na din yung industry at ibang management style na diskarte ang gagawin dito, no? So dinisclose na nga ng Double Dragon that the central hub warehouse and distribution ang kanilang property leasing, no? So ang mga tenants nila dito ay mga fast moving consumer goods companies, no? At ang pinagmamayabang nila, no, na ang tenant nila ay ang Jollibee Corporation, kung saan burger patties and other supplies ng Jollibee ang sinostore sa kanilang warehouse lease properties. Currently, guys, no, medyo okay na rin tong industrial real estate ni Double Dragon. Nasa 605,000 square meters valuated at around 24.8 billion, no? Kaya kung kinukonsideran nyo mag-diversify into industrial REIT, you might consider researching this Double Dragon Industrial REIT, no? Pero may malaking pero. With what happened kay DDMPR, bigyan nyo naman ng matindihang research and due diligence itong Double Dragon, guys, no? Because as investors, we don't want to base our investment decisions based on trust. Yun lang naman masasabi ko sa REIT na to, guys, no? And now, let's proceed to the last but not the least, Costco REIT ni Lucio Ko. So according sa disclosure nitong ni Lucio Ko, guys, no, plano nila to lease their industrial real estate, no? So ito ay warehousing and distribution. Pero hindi nila specify kung kasama ang retail at saka commercial real estate, which is yun yung trademark ng Costco. Yun yung Pure Gold tsaka yung SNR Shopping, no? So based sa kanilang lease portfolio, meron silang 6 real estate and property leasing. Ito nga ang pambato nila yung Elimac Prime Holdings na merong 47 properties, no? Pero mainly commercial retail ito tsaka land leases, no? As of now, guys, very vague pa talaga itong Costco REIT at madami pang kulang na impormasyon, kaya mas mabuting medyo antayin natin itong release ng kanilang prospectus. So ayun na nga, guys, no, yun na yung 4 na IPO na darating this 2023 to 2024. Kaya comment down below your opinions. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We will be uploading more educational videos soon. So like, share, and subscribe. So